And we start with late breaking news on the city's northeast side. A family violence call turning into a standoff that's lasted around 4 hours.
This all happening at an apartment complex in the 3900 block of Thousand Oaks. KSAT 12's Bill Barajas is there, and I understand you spoke to police about half an hour ago to get an update.
Yeah, that's right, and they've been here since about 8 this morning. I can tell you a SWAT team is here along with hostage negotiators who are trying to convince that man inside to come out peacefully. Now, we are not showing you a live look of the scene for the protection of the officers. SAPD does not want us to give away their position. Now, we are at the Avistar at the Oaks apartment complex on the 3900 block of Thousand Oaks. I'm told the man inside is believed to be armed with a handgun. According to police, his girlfriend was able to lock herself in a bathroom and was able to text a family member. She told that family member she feared for her life. That family member then called police, who have been trying to reach the man ever since.
We're trying to make contact with the individuals. We have not been successful so far. We do know that overnight, witnesses did hear them arguing. The extent of that arguing, they heard arguing, but nobody called police.
And I'm told police will be here for as long as they need to be. They've also asked several people near that apartment to evacuate if possible. Live on the northeast side, Bill Barajas, KSAT 12 News.